how much should you actually spend on golf shafts? Because you see cheap options and think, can they be any good? But then there are those pricey ones that might not deliver what you expect. It's a bit tricky. Product number 1, Brampton Pro-Fix Golf Epoxy. Let's kick things off with the Brampton Pro-Fix Long Cure Golf Epoxy. Priced at $11.99, this epoxy caught my eye because it's designed specifically for building golf clubs. If you want a strong, reliable bond for your shafts and heads, this is worth a serious look. What makes this epoxy stand out is its 20-minute work life, which is perfect for assembling a full set of clubs without feeling rushed. Plus, it's engineered for high impacts, making it ideal if you swing hard, think 130 mph or more. This matters because you need that durability when playing competitively, and many users rave about its strength in reviews, with a solid 4.7-star rating from over 2,000 buyers. Now, some folks mention that it takes a full 24 hours to cure completely, which can be a hassle if you're eager to hit the course. But here's the thing, that curing time really ensures that the bond is going to hold up under pressure. It's not a deal breaker if you plan ahead. This is perfect for you if you're looking to assemble or repair your clubs at home without worrying about a weak bond. Skip this if you need an instant fix and can't wait a day for it to cure. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if that curing time is a concern for you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 2, Summerhouse Black Flat Ferrules. Next up, we have the Summerhouse 12 pieces solid black flat golf iron ferrules priced at just $6.88. These ferrules caught my attention because they help finish off your club's look while ensuring a snug fit for your shafts. If you're into customization, this is definitely worth considering. These ferrules are made from high-toughness plastic, meaning they won't crack or break easily. They come in a range of heights, which is great for fitting different iron shafts. This matters because a proper fit prevents unwanted movement that can affect your swing consistency. With a 4.7-star rating from over 356 reviews, people seem to be really happy with them. On the flip side, a few users pointed out that the gloss finish can show scratches over time. But honestly, if you take care of your clubs, this shouldn't be a major issue. Plus, they're so affordable that replacing them occasionally won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking to personalize your clubs without spending a fortune. Skip this if you prefer a more durable metal option instead. For the price, you can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a great option, but if you're looking for something to keep your clubs clean, the next product takes a different approach. Product number 3, Sazomau Golf Hosel Brush. Coming in next is the Sazomau Golf Club's Head Hosel Brush, priced at $9.99. This caught my eye because it's not just about shafts, it's about maintaining your gear. If you've ever struggled to clean your clubs, this is worth a look. This brush is made with crimped wire bristles, perfect for cleaning out the hosels of your clubs. It fits both wood and iron hosels, making it versatile. What's great is that it helps remove old epoxy and dirt, which can affect how your clubs perform. With a 4.2-star rating from about 265 reviews, it seems to do the trick for many golfers. Some users mention that the bristles can wear out faster than they'd like. But here's the thing, if you're diligent about cleaning, this brush will definitely extend the life of your clubs, which is a win in my book. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values upkeep and wants to keep your clubs in top shape. Skip this one if you're not into DIY maintenance. For $9.99, it's an easy add-on to your gear. Now, if you want something even more efficient for cleaning, check out the next product. Product number 4, Nojki Hosel Brush Set. Next up, we have the Nojki 4-pack Golf Club Hosel Brush, priced at $7.99. This caught my attention because it offers multiple brushes for a low price. If you're cleaning your clubs regularly, this is a practical choice. What's cool about this set is that each brush has a durable stainless steel construction, which means they'll last through multiple cleaning sessions without wearing out quickly. The hex shank handle allows for easy attachment to an electric drill, making your cleaning process faster and more efficient. Plus, it fits a range of hosel sizes, so you can use it across your entire set. With a high rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that golfers appreciate its effectiveness. Now, some customers noted that the bristles can be a bit stiff, which might not be ideal for delicate cleaning jobs. But honestly, if you're looking for something that gets the job done quickly, this is a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want to speed up your club maintenance routine. Skip this if you prefer gentler cleaning tools. For the price, you're getting great value. Finally, if you're still looking for something to enhance your performance, let's wrap up with our last product. Product number 5, Summerhouse 12 pieces 0.37 ferrules. Last but not least, we have another option from Summerhouse. The 12 pieces solid black flat golf iron ferrules for 0.37 shafts, also priced at $6.88. If you need a reliable ferrule option, this one is definitely worth considering. Similar to the previous ferrules, these are made from high-toughness plastic, ensuring they can withstand wear and tear. Their 0.37 inner diameter ensures a snug fit, which is crucial for maintaining club performance. Users have rated these at 4.7 stars, indicating solid satisfaction. One downside is that they may not fit all shaft types perfectly. This can be a hassle if you have a mixed set. But honestly, for the price, having a reliable option for your 0.37 shafts is still a good deal. This is perfect for you if you need to replace ferrules on your 0.37 shafts without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're dealing with a different shaft size. For the value, it's hard to complain. So to quickly recap, we started with the Brampton epoxy for strong club assembly, then checked out the Summerhouse ferrules for customization. Next, we had the Sazomau hosel brush for cleaning, followed by the Nojki set for efficient maintenance. Finally, we wrapped up with another ferrule option for specific shaft sizes. Whatever your needs, there's something here to help you up your golf game.